and Turn here again for another Sunday stroll through the lathe cave. Nice bright morning, Tunbridge Wells weather report done with. Okay, so in my little wood store I've got loads of these part turned lumps of something or other. I would say that might be beech, but it's anyone's guess. Anyway, it's about time I made some space and got rid of these. These are full of cracks. They're horrible when they've been glued and all sorts, so they might turn out to look completely disgusting. They might even be a failed bowl, but right now I think I better get on with it. So if you're ready, let's go. I did previously make some tenons before they dried out, but you can see they've gone completely out of shape. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick the wibbly wobbly tenon into the hole of the chuck, and then I'm going to put, like I did last week, a mortise on the inside, turn the bowl around, turn the foot, then turn the rest of the bowl. It is a bit wibbly wobbly, but it'll all come true soon enough. That didn't take long, did it? Moss on there, that 3-year-old moss. There's quite a lot to come off of here, so let's get on with it, eh? think it's time to take that horrible tenon off. that looks horrible. That looks a bit better. Well, I thought I'd spare you the sanding. It's a bit dull, isn't it? There we are, a little bit of decoration. Okay, time for a bit of waxy oiliness. Possibly a bit too much oil. But it'll soak in, there's no doubt about that. There we are. That's the outside done. Let's have a little go at the inside, shall we? Pleased to know that I spared you the pain of having to watch some sanding again, so that's a good thing for you. Sadly I had to do it anyway. There we are. That was a nice bit of chatoyance there, wasn't it? Nice wide rim bowl. Had to be wide rimmed because there was a lot of bark there. which I decided to leave on and not turn past. Let's give the bowl a little bit of character. And there we are, my friends. Another bowl, another Sunday stroll through the lathe cave. As I said to you, this thing had some fairly serious cracks. I did glue them some years ago, but the glue has held, and what you might call characterful, I would say. Nice wide rim, a little bit of bark that's never fallen off, so I don't see why it's going to fall off now. And a big knot. Now I've turned this, I think this might be hawthorn. I did have a lot of hawthorn, all these little spots and whatever, you give it away, and a nice orange colour once it's oiled. So yeah, hawthorn bowl. Okay, so if you've enjoyed it today, thank you very much for sticking with it and watching it through to the end. Yeah, brilliant. Please like and subscribe and share it all around. Share the love. And I'll see you again, hopefully, next week for another spin on the lathe. Draw!